Here's how to back up your Apple Watch. Now, if you have your Apple Watch, maybe you have your iPhone, or if you want to do it without your iPhone, you can always back this up. The first thing we need to do is on the Apple Watch itself. So let me just turn this on and enter the passcode. After I've done that, we're going to head into the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure it's connected to a Wi-Fi network. After we've done that, tap on Bluetooth and again make sure the Bluetooth is on and you're connected to your iPhone through Bluetooth. After you've done that, tap the back arrow yet again and scroll to the top and make sure you're logged into the same Apple ID that your iPhone is logged into. Now, after you've done that, all you need to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the top. After you've done that, all you need to do is scroll down and choose iCloud here midway down and then scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Now, while this says it'll back up your iPhone, it also backs up all of the data associated with your Apple Watch in the exact same backup. So just tap on Backup Now, and it will back up your iPhone in addition to your Apple Watch. Now, if you don't have your iPhone around, the easiest way to back it up is to just find that iPhone. Unfortunately, you do need that iPhone, but you can always swipe down and type in Watch to just open up the Watch app. Tap on All Watches at the top left, and then tap on the eye next to your watch. If you tap at the bottom, Unpair Apple Watch, it will always go through the process of backing up your Apple Watch to that iPhone before you factory reset it if you choose to do so. I hope this helps. If you wouldn't mind, take a second and leave a comment with your feedback down below. It really helps me get an idea of, did this video help you out, or are there still some missing issues that you're having trouble with?